Standing position. Feet together. Stride position. Lunge position. One leg position. Half knee bend position. Squat position. Sitting position. Long sitting position. Long sitting rest position. Stride position. Side position. Hurdle position. Hook position. Tap position. Frog position. Cross position. Heel sit position. Kneeling position. Stride position. Half knee position. One leg position. What's that? Lying position. Supine position. Prone position. Side position. Hook position. Tap position. Arm position. Back arm support position. Front arm support position. Side arm support position. Sunod ang bridge. Or base position. Bridge stand position. Dog stand position. Hands position. Hands on hip, hands on waist, hands on chest, hands on shoulder, hands on neck. Arms position. Arms forward, arms sideward, arms upward.